Okay, there we go. Things all in and tightened up. Got the starter bracket all tightened up. And the starter wire down there, that little guy, that's a 7mm, by the way. Kind of a pain to get tightened up just because there's not a lot of room in there, but not that big of a deal. And then the battery cable. This is PT Wiring Solutions, Bruce's excellent 2-aught battery cable system, by the way. Ooh, get that off of that heat shield there. And that's a 17mm. And did the same thing, use 2 long extensions and 1 little wobbly, and came in clear up from the front of the truck and back in there, and was able to tighten that up real nice. And we got the starter all tightened up, and I will be changing these starter bolts out for LeroyDiesel.com. He has got some ARP stainless steel 12-point bolts that are excellent, probably the last ones you'll need to buy for your vehicle, and I like those. I got a lot of Leroy stuff. He's a great place to go. I sell some stuff on Amazon here and there, but Leroy, if you want great service and great parts, man, he builds and uses what he sells, and he's the man for the knowledge and the support. So go to Leroy if you need anything for your vehicles. But these starter bolts are special. They can't be wore out, otherwise they'll cause you some pretty major problems down the road. And then I said earlier about the manual transmission. That's how you want to see the shaft on the slave cylinder. You want to make sure that that's engaged into the dimple right there. And then make sure you get her all tightened down. And we're good to go. So that is the starter install for a 6.5 turbo diesel. Hope you learned something here to make it a little bit easier, and good luck. Keep wrenching.